Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I am back in Las Vegas on the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip from the fabulous Palazzo Hotel and Casino. I'm looking down on the bazillions of pools it shares with the Venetian Hotel and Casino. Alright, maybe not bazillions, but there are millions of pools here, so I don't want to exaggerate. As you guys know, when I visit Las Vegas, it's usually for a week, so the first thing I do is unpack my two suitcases. I have a carry-on bag and a personal item bag, I guess you call it. And I pack away my clothes and put away my toiletries, and I'm all set up for the week. I bring those empty bags down to the Strip, those empty suitcases, and I head towards the nearest CVS or Walgreens or convenience store, whatever happens to be in the area, and I buy snacks and drinks for the week. I happen to know there's a Walgreens right downstairs here at the Venetian Palazzo complex, and that's where I'm going to head today. The only issue I have with Walgreens is they don't have shopping carts here on the Las Vegas Strip. CVS has those big baskets that you can pull. It's on wheels. It's kind of like a carry-on suitcase. Walgreens does not provide that. They don't even have hand baskets. If they do, then they're all taken. So it's hard to buy stuff. I don't like going into the place and just like throwing everything into my suitcases, because then it looks like I'm shoplifting. So I'm going to have to deal with it. I'm going to have to carry everything, and then once it's purchased, I will put it in my bags and bring it back up here in the room. That being said, I'm all unpacked. I want to stock up for the week. It's been a long flight, but good news is I gained 3 hours, so I had to push my watch back 3 hours. So it's still early in the morning, although my body is saying it's late in the afternoon. But that being said, let's stock up on stuff for the week and get this vacation started.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me up, let me show you what's up, cause enough is enough.
So here I am in the Palazzo lobby. I just checked in about an hour ago. I went upstairs, unpacked my suitcase, like I said, both of them, and I'm bringing them down to the Walgreens, which is right outside, pretty much right outside the door here, so I can stack up on some snacks and drinks for the week. I got here on a Sunday, early in the morning Sunday, and they checked me in. I did my $20 sandwich, so that got me an early check-in. I got a very late checkout on Friday, which is good because my plane's leaving at like midnight. So that gives me 6 full days here in Las Vegas. That $20 sandwich also got me a higher floor and a strip view, as you guys saw at the beginning of this video. There are at least 150 things on my list of things to do this week, knowing that I can only possibly get to about 75 of those, or half of that list. And that's the way I always work. I just kind of like prioritize videos and cross them off as I go along. I never really know what I'm going to buy when I do these Walgreen or CVS runs when I first get into town. I do know that there's 2 things on my list, water and wine. 2 things that I don't want to not have in my room while I'm here in town. And water because, well, it's extremely expensive here on the Las Vegas Strip. I can get a gallon of water for maybe $2 or a case of water for maybe $3 or $4, whereas one of those bottles from that case of 24 would cost me $5 or $8 just for one bottle in the casino or hotel. So that's one thing that I want to do first off. So those are really the only 2 items. I like to have wine in the room also, because I like to enjoy a glass of wine when I either before I leave my room or when I get back from whatever I was doing and I relax in my room. I like to have a glass or 2 of wine. And other than that, I really have nothing on my list until I go up and down the aisles and check out what they have to offer. This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Some of you may be interested to find out that this is where Mitzi and I first met, at this very exact Walgreens at the bottom of the Palazzo. I was searching for a bottle of wine, and she was in the souvenir aisle. Our eyes met, and $3 later, Mitzi and I have been together for years. And a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Clarice, the Miss America crown, in my latest Atlantic City video, Wahlburgers at the Ocean Casino and Resort. Congratulations once again, Robert Camacho. Once again, the problem here at Walgreens is I've got two empty suitcases in my left hand that I'm dragging around. I've got a Walgreens hand basket in my right hand, which really doesn't hold as much as I'd like it to, because first of all, I need a couple gallons of water, besides chips and stuff like that. So I'm having an issue just trying to gather stuff together here. I don't know why they don't have shopping carts in this store. They never did, and it's really kind of annoying if you ask me. And again, I could easily just open up my suitcases and start putting all the items I want in the suitcases, but then that looks kind of funny to security, which I'm sure has their eye on me right now. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, why not subscribe to the New York channel and give the video a thumbs up? It really does help the channel out. Thanks. And if you're watching all my videos and not subscribing, how do you sleep at night? So it's hard for you to tell because I'm walking, like I said, with my luggage, two bags in my left hand, a hand basket in my right hand. I'm trying to pick up food at the same time and hold a camera at the same time. I am looking pretty much like a fool going up and down these aisles, but my goal is to pick up whatever I can with what I have, and I picked up a 12-pack of water instead of a case of water, or a couple gallons of water, which they didn't have, by the way. So I picked up a 12-pack of water, some wine, I picked up a couple bags of chips, a little bit of candy, and some, some noshing food to last me through the week. There is no refrigerator in my room at the Palazzo. There's a mini bar in that refrigerator, which I'm not going to obviously open. So I do have my hack of bringing I packed an insulated bag with me. I just go down the hallway to the ice machine, pack that insulated bag with ice, and it keeps all the food that needs to be cold for a day or two in the tub at the hotel room. So that's what I do. And in case you're wondering, this is pretty much real time. A couple minutes to get down to the store, a couple minutes in the store, and a couple minutes to get back up to the room, and I'm set for the week. Obviously, I'm going to pass that store at least 24 times before I leave Las Vegas. So if I forgot anything or if I need to refill anything, I pass that store all the time, and I can just carry it up to my room at that point. And I don't know why I don't show a receipt. I really should when I do these drugstore runs when I first get into town, but they usually cost me between $50 and $75. And for that I get a week's worth of water, some nice wine to have up in the room, some chips and snacks and candy, and some noshing food, and it's definitely worth it. And it's nice to know that when you go up to your hotel room, even if you couldn't make it to dinner or whatever, there's always something waiting for you upstairs in the room, and that's why I do this. And like I said, it's definitely worth the money.
applications for skin tightening, laser lipo, injectables, wellness, and skincare. This is where it all happens. This is where the stars go to get gorgeous and stay gorgeous.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.